Mixing again. Yeah, another concrete mix. You know, gotta have one of those every once in a while, or this place just don't feel like home. Yeah, we're gonna pour the little outdoor bar and grill. Yep, the outdoor bar and grill is about to get poured. So this is gonna be the bar part, and then later I guess we'll be pouring the grill part over there. Thank you, man. Did you already pay the tricycle?
Because the tricycle is very mini dirt bro. Kasi na mayaman ko bro. I will add that 20 pesos.
The bucket brigade is back at it again. Boy, that's gonna be nice. Hang out right out here, boys, looking out the water. Grilling right over here. Ooh, man. That is going to be badass. Ah? What's your pressure cooking here earlier?
The beef.
What is that?
Beef.
But what's the other? Is that eggplant you grew over here?
Yes, yeah, my eggplant.
Yeah. And you got some, what, those sabas? Saba bananas?
Saba banana.
And it's beef in there?
Uh-huh.
Carabao beef or cow beef?
Maybe cow. No, I don't
Maybe.
Cow. And I'm gonna add this one later. You know, the one that butchoy that I in my garden here.
So you grew all the bok choy right here then?
Yes.
Cool, cool, cool.
All vegetable. Soup, vegetable soup.
And it's like you're getting some chicken ready to grill.
Yes. For you.
What is this?
It's leftover oil.
Oh, it's old oil.
Yes.
Oh, that's from that deep fryer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Boy, nang sinito na may bigyan ka na ba mo nakatapusan ha? Yan may to pa daan. Sobrang budget. Ano lang, limawon ka lang kasi sa birthday. Ay, lima ka parang di-mix. Kaya ano, mix lang. Hindi na, apat lang. Ha? Apat lang kali di-mix. Ano ba? Hindi ba?
Feel that corner all the way out there. See the corner out there? No, all the way out at the corner, yeah. Well, they got that tile in, and they got the concrete poured on the countertop. Well, the whole thing, the whole little outdoor bar grill area there. And Bonbon's guys here getting ready to place the glass. We just put in one piece together just now in the window up here. Now, I want it silicone behind the glass. There you go, it's ready right there right now. I want it silicone behind the glass. Mom was going to silicone around the edge of the glass, and I didn't want that. You know, after the glass is already in, just go around the edge. I said, no, it needs to be between the wood and the glass. In here, we're back to the shower again finally, and getting it all set up, putting the first tiles in over there right now. Well, that's it. It's the end of another work week. I'm happy with what got accomplished today, I tell you. Getting this bar right here poured. My outdoor bar and grill for my house here. Have my grilling station right here. Yeah, I'm excited for that. Really am. The flooring in the front bedroom, to me, it's just absolutely beautiful. I think it goes well with that blue-gray color. And getting the tile started now in the master bath shower there, that's a big plus too. And to get glass in the front, he got all the glass in today, Bonbon's guy did, other than the front door. The center glass on the front door, he said he'll come do it on Monday, but he got all 6 pieces in the big window above and both side lights done. I'm happy for that. It's more progress. As soon as he puts that main glass in that front door, we're to the point that we can set our door handle, our door lock in on that front door, and be able to lock this home up. And I like that. You know, that starts really feeling complete. And you can close all the windows, close all the doors, lock everything, and you got a key in your hand. That says volumes right there alone. Amben, I didn't show it. He sealed the rest of the tile today, but he went back working on that black marble, doing that band around this veranda, going down the side now. And so that is another big step. In fact, let me show you where he has done it across the back. I don't even think you've seen that. Yeah, this is across the back of the house right here. I don't even think you've all seen this. And he's doing it down the side now. More beautiful progress. Well, it is the end of the day. Melinda just paid up all the help, and they're on their way home. Mel and I, we gotta get ready because we're attending a birthday party. Our friends Paul and Anna, Anna's son, JJ, it is his birthday. And so we're heading up to our friend Eugene's place at Bistro Toronto here in Tigbawan. It's a little restaurant over near to the beach. Well, when we get off here and get ready, I appreciate you all watching these videos. I appreciate all your support very much. Just every day here at this house too, just unbelievable, like a dream to me as this is all unfolding. You know, I just say this, never ever give up. If you're down and you're feeling blue and you feel like you're in a rut, remember, you can change your situation. Before I knew Melinda, I was at a low point in my life, and Melinda changed my life. She has been a great wife. Together we have made great progress in our life, and if I'd ever thought that my life would be in this position that it is right now prior to knowing Melinda, I wouldn't have ever believed it. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, JJ. Happy birthday to you.
He's embarrassed. All right.